the handy, compact and portable electric-driven rail core drilling machine from BDS Maschinen. Presenting the portable and compact electric rail drilling machine, RAILMAB 925. Easy to carry, easy to mount and easy to operate. The RAILMAB 925 is specially developed for track construction and signalling. Up to 36 mm diameter core drilling capacity. Up to 30 mm cutting depth capacity. RAILMAB 925 is fixed to the rails with a rapid clamping system which can carry a pressure of 1.2 tons on the rail base. Simply better drilling. 1,600 watt powerful motor, speed control and torque control, 2-speed oil gearbox, safe arrangement of switches, intelligent carbon brush wear indicator, a Morse Tapper 3 machine provided with quick change drill chuck and also a reversible ratchet. Use only BDS carbide rail cutters. The handy and compact electric rail drilling machine RAILMAB 925. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.